trying to be extra with this whole full tank thing. I remember there was a time, many times, where all I had was a full tank and I had no food in my house. I had nothing else but a car, which I was grateful for, and a full tank. And then after that, that was it. Until the next gig, that was it. And I made it work. And God has been so faithful. So I don't take a full tank for granted. Like, because today I have food in my fridge as well. I am blessed. I've got amazing friends. I'm just bloody blessed. And I cannot be more grateful. Like, thank you, Jesus. So I'm not being extra, and I hope that you have a full tank, and I hope that you've got food, and I hope that whatever you have right now, you use it to the best of your ability to get more, and you're grateful for it, because you only need what you've got to get what you need to get.